Happy New Year, everyone! It's 2022, and are you ready to make a resolution that you probably will not keep? Well, this year, instead of making a resolution, I'm going to try to do something different, and maybe you can do it with me as well. Okay, let's go back over the last couple of years. Can you imagine if you made a resolution in 2020 or 2021 and intended to keep that resolution till the end of the year? It would have been nearly impossible. Yeah, who expected a pandemic, right? But the pandemic is, I think, just a symptom of life. Things come up along the way each year that we're not expecting, and they throw us off our game. They make it difficult for all of us to accomplish the goals and the resolutions that we set out at the beginning of the year to achieve. So this year, instead of setting a yearly resolution, I'm going to do something different. And I'm going to encourage you to do this as well, and you can follow along with me, and we'll see how it goes. This is an experiment. So instead of making a year-long resolution, I'm going to wake up every day and set an intention. This is an intention to somehow make myself better, or make the world better, or do something positive for somebody, or maybe just a tiny thing to accomplish for that day. So we're going to break down that year of resolutions into 365 days, and we're going to go one day at a time. You think we can do it? I don't know, but I want to try this. I think setting an intention when you wake up in the morning is so important to how you see your day. And it's easy to get lost during the day with distractions and with life. So you'll go from morning to night, and maybe you just kind of sleepwalk through that day. You don't accomplish what you want to, or maybe you get things done, but you don't feel accomplished because you're just getting through the day, and that's just life. So in 2022, I'm going to set an intention every morning when I get up. And that intention is going to be flexible. So if a pandemic comes the day before, I may wake up in the morning and I'm not going to be able to accomplish maybe what I had set out for the day before. So I make it something that I can accomplish that day. And I've made a list of things, just brainstorming of intentions to set out each day for the new year. And I encourage you to do the same thing. And if one day you miss an intention, who cares? You wake up the next morning, you set an intention, and you try to get it done. So here are some of the things that I've jotted down. Reach out to an old friend. Forgive someone who has hurt you. I'm going to be patient one day when helping my daughter do her math homework. I didn't say these were going to be easy, right? But if you could do those one thing that you set out for during the day, I think it will be important. I may try to avoid the second helping of potato chips one day. I'm going to engage more deeply with someone who I see every day, but I don't usually talk to or engage with or know anything about. I'm going to donate to a charity one day. I'm going to call a cousin. These are the kind of things maybe that I can set in the morning that I can accomplish during the day. I'm going to buy someone coffee, maybe someone who I don't usually buy coffee. I'm going to find somebody who has really helped me, and I'm going to set out intentionally to thank them, to make them know that they really helped me get to a certain place in my life. Well, I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know what you think about this, but it's going to be an experiment for 2022. We're going to set an intention every day. And if you like my intention, you can find it on Instagram or my social media pages and see if those intentions suit you. Or maybe you find a different intention for your day, somehow to make life better for you, for the world, for your family, for your pets, or just to make you happy. So happy 2022, everybody. Let's set goals that we can accomplish. Let's go one day at a time because we never know what tomorrow is going to bring. And here's to a fantastic year.